Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Miss Mini Life and I build tiny things. I'm so excited because we are at 500 subscribers. Literally at 500 subscribers. I'm so excited, guys. I don't understand. I understand. You're the best. That's all there is to it. It's awesome. And today's video is going to be about a tiny building that I found while doing my new favorite hobby, which is Google Earthing. For those of you who don't know, Google Earthing is a term I just made up right now to describe when you have no money for vacation and you can't leave because of Corona. So you go on Google Earth and you take a mini vacation by literally wandering the streets of various cities that you can't go to in street view, and then you just see what all of it looks like and wish you were there. Yeah. But while I was doing that, I went to Solvang, California, and I found this super adorable little store. I've been wanting to work on like making the outside of the buildings in my models a lot more realistic. So that is what I'm showing you guys how to build today. Don't forget to thumbs up. I can give you a moment to do that right now. Right down there, there's a little button that looks like this one, the up one, not the down one. You just go ahead and click that. And then you could just scroll over a little bit to the side where it says subscribe and just click that too. And then that way you'll get all of the notifications when the videos are posted, which will be every week. Look, I know I say that every video and then it's like 3 weeks later that I come out with one, but that's the sort of relationship we have together, okay? So I will see you guys in the next video and keep watching for the build for this one. Love you guys. Bye.